Hey tubers, Gauss Fall 86 here at the river with the freighter Walter J. McCarthy Jr. So we're going to follow the Walter J. McCarthy Jr. as she goes down the river. This ship was also known as the Bell River before she was renamed the Walter J. McCarthy Jr. Tried to get a salute, but no dice. Oh well, it happens. So let's follow her. So we're following the Walter J. McCarthy Jr. She goes down the river. If I'm not mistaken, I think this freighter is 1,004 feet long. It's definitely over 1,000 for sure. Sorry about that. Thank you much. Have a great day. Goodbye, and enjoy the video of the freighter Walter J. McCarthy Jr. Please like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Who knows what freighter I'll come up with next.